if you've recently gone through security checks with Capital One and need to restore full access to your account, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Get unnecessary information. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call Capital One's customer service at the number provided on their website or on the back of your card. Be prepared to answer security questions and provide the information you gathered in Step 1. Step 3. Follow security protocols. Once connected with a representative, follow their instructions carefully. They may ask you to verify your identity through various security checks, such as confirming recent transactions or answering personal questions. Step 4. Update account information. If necessary, update any outdated information, such as your phone number or email address. This ensures that your account is secure and that you can receive important notifications. Step 5. Confirm account access restoration. After completing the security checks and any required updates, confirm with the representative that your account access has been fully restored. You may also want to log into your online account to verify everything is functioning correctly. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Capital One account after security checks. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer service again for further assistance.